What if I told you that 100 grams of one of nature's most powerful cooling agents costs less than $1, and you can find it at any herbal store right now? This tiny crystal right here is called Tragacanth Gum, known in Urdu and Hindi as Gond Katira. And if you're not using it this summer, you're spending way too much money on supplements, skincare, and hydration products that don't even come close to what this ancient botanical resin can do for your body. What is Tragacanth Gum? Most people have heard that Tragacanth Gum reduces body heat. But here's the thing, that's just one of its benefits. In Ayurvedic medicine, Tragacanth Gum is documented to have over 40 therapeutic applications, ranging from digestive health to skin repair to heat stroke prevention. But here's the real problem. 90% of people use it completely wrong. Wrong time, wrong dose, wrong food combinations. And when you use it incorrectly, instead of helping your body, it can cause bloating, digestive discomfort, and even aggravate the very symptoms you're trying to fix. In this video, I'm going to make sure you're in the 10% who actually get the full benefit. There are two completely different edible gums that look almost identical, and mixing them up is one of the most common mistakes people make. Type 1, regular edible gum, babul gum / Acacia gum. Sourced from the Acacia arabica tree. Traditionally used in winter energy balls, laddus, and given to women postpartum. Has a hot / warming potency. Stimulates heat in the body. Type 2, Tragacanth Gum, what we're focused on today. Sourced from the Astragalus gummifer plant, a thorny shrub native to the Middle East and Central Asia. Has a cooling / cold potency. Actively reduces internal body heat. Used in summer wellness, hydration support, and digestive care. Because they look so similar in crystal form, people frequently buy the wrong one. Giving your body a heating gum in 110 degrees Fahrenheit summer heat is the opposite of what you need. How to identify real Tragacanth Gum? 3 scientific tests. Before you use anything, you need to verify what you actually bought. Here are 3 reliable identification tests. White heavy checkmark. Test 1, visual color test. Real Tragacanth Gum is milky white, off-white, or light cream in color with a dull, matte finish. If the crystals are yellow, brown, amber, or glassy / translucent, that's babul gum, acacia gum, not Tragacanth. Don't use it in summer. White heavy checkmark. Test 2, smell test. Real Tragacanth Gum has a faint but noticeable sour, slightly vinegar-like odor due to its natural acidic compounds. Babul gum is essentially odorless. White heavy checkmark. Test 3, water swelling test, most reliable. This is the gold standard test used to verify Tragacanth Gum authenticity. 1. Take 1 small crystal and place it in a glass of water. 2. Leave it overnight, 8 to 12 hours. 3. In the morning, examine what happened. Heavy checkmark. Authentic Tragacanth Gum will swell to 10 to 15 times its original size. Transform into a thick, translucent gel or jelly. Absorb virtually all the water in the glass. This happens because Tragacanth Gum contains high molecular weight polysaccharides, primarily basorin, that absorb water and form a stable hydrocolloid gel, a property that's central to how it works in your body. Crossmark if the crystal simply dissolves and the water turns slightly cloudy without any significant swelling. It's babul gum, acacia gum, which is primarily composed of arabinogalactin, a water-soluble polysaccharide that dissolves rather than gels. Direct hit. Section 4, science-backed benefits of Tragacanth Gum, 210 to 310. Tragacanth Gum's benefits aren't just traditional folklore. They're backed by its documented bioactive properties. 1. Sheaf of rice natural soluble dietary fiber. Once soaked, Tragacanth Gum forms a viscous gel that moves through your gastrointestinal tract, coating the gut lining. This slows digestion and reduces internal heat generation. Feeds beneficial gut bacteria, prebiotic effect. Relieves constipation by adding bulk and moisture to stool. Regulates blood sugar spikes by slowing glucose absorption. 2. Thermometer. Natural thermoregulation and hydration support. Tragacanth Gum has a scientifically recognized cold potency, Sheetal virya, in Ayurvedic pharmacology. When consumed properly, it helps your body maintain a lower core temperature. It acts as a natural electrolyte retaining agent, keeping you hydrated longer. It significantly reduces the risk of heat exhaustion and heat stroke during summer months. 3. herb anti-inflammatory and skin benefits. The polysaccharides in Tragacanth gum have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties in research studies. Regular use may reduce acne and skin inflammation triggered by internal heat, improve skin hydration from the inside out, support wound healing, and reduce redness. So now you know exactly what Tragacanth gum is, how it's scientifically different from Acacia gum, and the 3 tests to make sure you're buying the real thing before you put it in your body. But knowing what it is only half the story. If you want a part 2, drop a comment below saying, yes, Tragacanth gum part 2, and I'll cover. Why'd have you checkmark the exact correct way to prepare and consume it? Why'd have you checkmark the right dosage based on your body weight? Why'd have you checkmark the best time of day to take it? Why'd have you checkmark who should not use it? This is important. Why'd have you checkmark special benefits for men versus women? Why'd have you checkmark amazing summer drink and recipe ideas using Tragacanth gum? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.